Ever wish morning started with an easy, satisfying poop? I struggled with this for many years until I found foolproof routine that changed everything. Let me share what works for me. Hi, I'm Bimal from Godsphere. Constipation has been a constant challenge in my life, but through trial and error, I have developed a morning routine that naturally gets things moving. Here's what I do. Step 1. Stretch to stimulate blood flow. I begin each morning with a quick stretch to wake up my body and improve blood flow to the gut. Here is how I do it. Reach up, stretch side and to side, and adding a gentle twist for about 10-15 seconds. These movements massage the intestines and activate peristalsis, the wave-like motion that moves stool through the digestive tract. Even a small stretch has a big difference for me. Step 2. Salt water flush. Next, I drink about a liter of warm salt water. This Ayurvedic practice called Usapan has been a game changer. For me, it rehydrates after a night of fasting, supports digestion, and acts as a mild laxative to kickstart the day. One trick I have learned: swishing the water in the mouth before swallowing. It activates digestive enzymes and gets the whole process going. Step 3. Power moves to get things flowing. If the urge still doesn't come, I turn to a few quick movements. Squats combined with a torso twist for 10-15 seconds to massage the colon. Walking up and down the stairs for 1 or 2 minutes. Gravity really helps. A few pull-ups to engage the core and increase the abdominal pressure. And on the toilet, elevating my knees with a small foot rest helps strengthen the rectal pathway, making the whole experience smoother. And step 4. Clean the Ayurvedic way. Once finished, I skip the toilet paper and use a hand beaded instead. It's gentler on the skin and more hygienic. This routine has transformed my mornings, and I encourage anyone to give it a try. Try it for 7 days and let me know how it goes in the comments. And for those who wants to dive deeper into improving bowel health, check out my Bowel Movement Masterclass linked below. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gut health tips. Let's keep our guts happy and healthy together.